We have got a fund going to replace it, so but I really need to get it going for now if we can, please.
All right.
You do.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this commercial boiler. It's a floor standing boiler. It's in a bad state. I think they need to change it. But at the moment they asked me to just get it going from
No ignition on it. Just can't get it going. That's absolutely wonderful.
So this one, all it was the pilot light was off. So I've lit up the pilot light, the thermocouple, everything's fine. I'm just do my safety checks on it, and I have advised them to start saving up for a new boiler. So this one's done for now. For my YouTube videos, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Guys, who just came down and in the church, they got floor standing boiler. They couldn't get the pilot light going. So I got the pilot light going for them, and it's working fine. They're saving up for a new boiler. I'll put the note, link it at the end if you wanted to make some donations for it. Birmingham Boiler Fix. Sorted that one out. That's working fine, it's fired up. And they asked me to have a look at this one. No, this one probably needs servicing anyway, but it's not staying. Okay. Hi, I just done a boiler repair at this church, and my friend here wants to give me a review.
Yeah, I'm just a retired minister from here. Called Jay this afternoon. We've been in trouble for 3 days, and he's been here, 25 minutes. He's got us working again. Well done, Jay.
Thank you.
10 out of 10.
Thank you so much.